The router did not break, the bit did not break, the vacuum did not break, the CNC machine did not break, and I did not hit a screw. I say that things worked out perfectly for this, and it ran for 12 hours, 12 minutes, and 50-something seconds. One of the plastic sleeves at the very end of the ball screw actually came loose, and it was just kind of floating on the ball screw, and I just pushed it back in place, and that was the only thing that technically broke. I set out to make 112 of these ring dishes, and actually only 110 turned out well. One of them had a knot that was hit and it actually knocked the part loose a little bit, and that did not turn out quite well. And then the other one was where I guess the double-sided tape did not stick fully to the CNC bed, and it actually left some nicks when it was doing the profiling cut, so that one's out as well. Other than that though, the material thickness was correct as far as all the profiling cuts, so it just kissed the double-sided tape as it was making its way all the way to the bottom. All of the waste material in between each of the ring dishes stayed put and did not move around, but were very easy to actually take off the CNC bed itself. And I expected some things to go wrong. My biggest concern actually was that the vacuum was actually going to overheat and shut down, and the fact that I was using it as a bypass for the router, that it would turn the router off, I wouldn't be here, and it would continue the sequence and just snap the bit in half and all of that. But that never happened. I'm doing a giveaway, which means that you could be one of 5 people that actually wins one of these Bigfoot Edition ring dishes, and it's going to be really darn easy because normally I get between 5 and 8 comments per each of my videos, so if you comment down below and make sure you're subscribed, there is a very good chance that you're going to be winning one of these. The reason that I am only doing the Bigfoot Edition for this YouTube video, it takes a lot more time to do than the other ones. First, I have to stamp it, and then the stamping process, because the stamp is so big, actually mushrooms the brass. Then I have to go back, I have to color fill the brass, and then sand it all down so that it's nice and flat and actually works well on the ring dish itself. After that, I have to lacquer it because the surface area for the Bigfoot stamp would actually rub away all the black that I put on there, and that would be no good. So it is a brushed brass lacquered coin that is going to be put on these 5 limited edition ring dishes. Gosh, that is a tongue twister. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed what you saw, go ahead and subscribe down below. It is completely free. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. More to come soon. Hoping that this will turn out to be something incredible that I'm really happy with and I understand how to use. But if anything, if you're watching this video and you think this guy is an idiot, just know that in a few months I'll be able to actually make stuff, and you can go back and look at that and be like, oh wow, if he can do it, I can do it. Simple as that.